Rolling Loud is an international hip-hop music festival held in the United States, Europe, Australia and Canada. Established in 2015, it is one of the biggest rap-only festivals in the world, according to Complex. While Billboard called it the be-all of hip-hop festivals. In 2019, an estimated 210,000 people attended the event in Miami. History. The festival was founded in 2015 by Matt Zingler and Tariq Cherif, who met in elementary school in Hollywood, Florida. Once in high school, the pair began organizing and promoting parties which leaned heavily on a mix of Southern and Midwestern rap. They moved on to professional live music events in 2010, beginning with an after-party headlined by Rick Ross. By the summer of 2013, they were hosting monthly events in Miami featuring up-and-coming artists like Travis Scott and Kendrick Lamar. The pair also promoted artists from Florida's burgeoning SoundCloud rap scene under the brand name Dope Entertainment before noticing the need for a genre-specific music festival. The first Rolling Loud took place in Miami, Florida in February 2015 and featured artists such as Schoolboy Q, Juicy J, Currency, and Action Bronson in the one-day event. It took place at Soho Studios in the Wynwood district of the city. Though the venue was temporarily flooded during the event due to rain. In 2016, Rolling Loud was held at the larger Mana Wynwood Convention Center and featured Ty Dolla $ign, Young Thug, and Future as the headlining acts. In 2017, Rolling Loud moved to Bayfront Park in downtown Miami. Since 2018, it has been hosted at Hard Rock Stadium in Miami Gardens. 2017 was also the year the festival expanded to other cities with the inaugural editions of Rolling Loud Bay Area and Rolling Loud Los Angeles. In 2019, Rolling Loud added Rolling Loud Australia in Sydney, Australia and Rolling Loud NYC to their list of host cities. The 2020 festival was originally scheduled to take place from May 8 to May 10, but was rescheduled for July 23 to July 25, 2021. In response to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic in the United States, in 2021, Rolling Loud hosted a post-pandemic festival in Miami, with more than 200,000 attendees. The festival included a collaboration with WWE and featured a Friday Night SmackDown. In 2022, Rolling Loud continued to expand to other countries. Rolling Loud's first European festival was announced in 2021 as a collaboration with Woo-Ha and held from July 1–3, 2022. Rolling Loud has collaborated with Festival, a popular fellow hip-hop music event annually held in Hilvarenbeek, the Netherlands, since 2014. After being postponed in 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic, Rolling Loud Portugal took place on July 6–8, 2022. In Canada, Rolling Loud Toronto is scheduled to take place on September 9–11, 2022. Festivals. Miami, 2015 to 2017. Miami Gardens, 2018–2019. 2021 present. Bay Area, Mountain View, 2017. Oakland, 2018–19. Southern California, San Bernardino, 2017. 2021. Los Angeles, 2018–19. Sydney, Australia, 2019. Hong Kong, Kowloon, 2019. Cancelled. New York City, 2019. 2021 present. Hilvarenbeek, the Netherlands, 2022. Portimao, Portugal 2022. Toronto, Canada 2022. Other events. In 2020, virtual live performances called Loud Streams were streamed on Twitch. The first event was held on September 12–13, and the second on October 30–31. In 2021, archived performances from the Miami and Bay Area festivals from 2017 were streamed on the festival's official YouTube channel. Each festival is annually live-streamed, usually simulcast on the YouTube and Twitch channels. However, Revolt broadcast it in 2017, Live X Live in 2018, and Be At TV in 2019. Rolling Loud presented a two-night showcase at the Stubbs Barbecue venue during South by Southwest in Austin, Texas in 2022. Outside of festivals, Rolling Loud also promotes and sponsors several concert tours. References. External links. Official website.